Number 10, 3/4 divided by 2/5. So 3/4 divided by 2/5. We can't divide fractions, we have to SOAR. Same, opposite, and reciprocal, or KCF, keep, change, flip. So same, 3/4 stays the same. Opposite of division is multiplication. And the reciprocal of 2/5 is 5/2. Now, we can multiply straight across or do cross simplifying, but I don't see any cross simplifying today. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 2 is 8. But that's an improper fraction. How many 8s go into 15? 15 divided by 8. 8 goes into 15 one time. With how many left over? 7. So 1 and 7/8. So 15/8 is the same thing as 1 and 7/8. 1 and 7/8.